warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, hello guys, my name is Tia Fazlia. First of all, I'm going to explain the difference between family and relatives. Family is the people I live with and love every day, like my mom, dad, and siblings. Relatives, on the other hand, are people I'm connected to by blood or marriage, but we don't always hang out, like my aunt, my uncle who live far away. Family is about daily love and support, while relatives are about family ties and occasional visit. Second and last, I will explain the difference between a nuclear family and an extended family. A nuclear family is just the basics, like mom, dad, and kids. But an extended family is like a big team, including grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Like during holiday, we all gather together and it's so much fun. Nuclear family is about a daily life, while extended family is about family traditional and connections. Okay, that's all my explanation. Thank you for watching my video guys. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.